Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I think all of you are well and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear students, in the previous class, we will discussed about resolving to factors. Clear, my dear students? And I just discussed only the basic idea of an algebraic expression, how to you resolve into factors. My dear students, I just discussed only two ideas. First one is what? First one is, if you just have the common terms, then you just take the common terms and resolve into factors. Otherwise, you just convert it into biformulas and then solve. Clear, my dear students? Today I will discuss about quadratic or second order algebraic expression. My dear students, okay, let's start with me and open your copy. Clear? Okay. Suppose the algebraic expression just like as ax square plus bx plus c. The algebraic expression just like as ax square plus bx plus c. My dear students, what can I do? Okay, my dear students, I just write down a formula. All of you just notice it very carefully. Okay, my dear students, formula. If you want to factorize these types of equations, then the formula is this. First one, at first you multiply a and c. Clear, my students? At first you multiply a and c. Number 2, the result. Subquotation number a. If the result is positive, then you find any two numbers. Then you find any two numbers. There is no need to use here then. This is grammatical wrong. If the result is positive, you find any two numbers where the sum of the numbers is equal to b, and the multiplication of the number of the numbers is equal to a into c. Look at me, my dear students. What I say? If you find these types of algebraic expression, ax square plus bx plus c, then at first you multiply a and c. Number 2, the result. That means if the result is positive, you find any two number where the sum of the number is equal to b and the multiplication of the numbers is equal to a into c. Clear, my dear students? Okay. Sub number b now. If the result is now negative, you find any two numbers where the subtraction of the numbers is equal to b and the multiplication of the numbers is equal to a into c. Clear, my dear students? Okay. Then number 3. Then number 3. Okay, my students. After completing this first and second rule, then after completing above steps, after completing above steps, you just take the common terms and getting your required result. Clear, my students? This is the formula for solve x square plus bx plus c into factor. Clear, my students? Okay, I erase this. Okay, all of you just write these formulas very carefully. I think this is very helpful for you. Clear? Okay, I erase it. Okay, my students. Look at me, my students. At first, I take Take a question number 23. X square plus 14x plus 40. Look at me, my dear students. Is this just like as this? Yes, this is just like as the second order algebraic expression. Clear? Here, look at me. Here, a equal, look at me, x square. The coefficient of x square is a, but here nothing is here, so that a equal 1. 1 is unique. Here, b equal 14, c equal 40. Okay. What I say in my formula? I say at first you multiply a and c. So a and c equal 1 into 40. That is equal to 40. That is equal to 40. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then you find any two numbers where the sum of the two numbers is equal 14. Sum of the two numbers is equal 14, and the multiplication of the two numbers is equal 40. What are the numbers? Look at me, my dear students. If I just take 40, you just say, sir, I just multiply 1 and 40. That is equal to 40. But the sum of 1 and 40 is 41. That is not exactly equal to 14. So you can't take this. You say, sir, I just 2 and 20. It is equal to 40. The multiplication is 40. But the sum of the numbers 20 plus 2, 22 is not equal to 14. So you can't take this. 4 into 10. Look at my distance. 4 into 10 means 40. This is exactly equal to 40, and 4 plus 10 is exactly 14. That is your required numbers. The numbers are 4 and 10. 4 and 10. So you just resolve into factors. Okay, my students, I erase all these items. Yes. Okay. What are the numbers? The numbers are equal x square plus, what are the numbers? 10 plus 4 into x plus 40. Look at me. 10 plus 4 is 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 40. Clear? That is x square plus 10x plus 4x plus 40. As this is the common term of x, is the common term of these two. That is x plus 10, and this is the common term of is 4. Very good. X plus 10. That is the common term of x plus 10, both the terms. That is x plus 10, x plus 4. And this is your required answer. This is very simple or not? I think this is very simple. Okay, my students. Everyone just do it very carefully. Number 26. a square plus 7ab plus 12b square. I think everyone solve this. Very simple. Look at me. Here this is just like as x square plus ab plus c. Look at me. Yes or no? A square plus 7ab plus 12b square. So what can I do? At first I multiply. You say? At first I multiply this 1 and 12 and got what? 12. Then I just write it or not. A square plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 4s are 12. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 3 plus 4 into ab plus what? 12b square. That is a square plus 3ab plus 4ab plus 12b square. Very simple or not? I think this is very simple. Okay, my dear students, you just take as a common of the terms, that is a plus 3b. Here you just take 4b. Very good. That is a plus 3b, a plus 3b and a plus 4b. This is your required answer. Yes or no? Yes. This is very simple. Okay, my dear students. Now everyone solve with me. 8x square plus 8x square plus 18x plus 9. Look at me, my dear students. This is your resolve into factors activity 1. Activity 1. Okay, my dear students. 8x square plus 18x plus 9. Here at the same way you just write this. There is no need to write this, but this is must be happen on your head. Understand? Here a is 8, b is 18, c is 9. So that a into c is 9 8s are 72. So you must find out two numbers that are exactly the multiplication of the numbers is equal to 72 and the sum of the numbers is equal 18. What are the numbers? Yes, you say? Yes, very good. Okay, my distance. 12 into 6. 12 6 are 72. This is equal to 72 and 12 plus 6 is 18. Clear? So you just write 8x square plus 12 plus 6. This is the common terms plus 9. 8x square plus 12x plus 6x plus 9. You just take as the common, that is 4x. So 2x plus 3 plus you just take as 3 is the common, so 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 and 4x plus 3. This is very simple or not? I think this is very simple. Clear, my students? Okay, I think all of you now solve all of your exercise. Okay, my students. Now today I will give you some homeworks, and your homeworks contains up to 29. Everyone just write with me. HW exercise 4.3. Everyone just write with me. Homework number 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 16, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 28. These are your homework for the next class. Okay, my students, the next class we will discuss the last part of the resolve into factors. Clear, my students? Okay, no more today. Please pray for me. I will also pray for you. Assalamu alaikum.